Okay, question 16. Given that 2 times the integral from 0 to 1 fx dx plus 5 times the integral from 1 to 2 fx dx is 14, and the integral from 0 to 1 of f of x plus 1 dx is 6, find the value of from 0 to 2 fx dx. Okay, so you see, two pieces of information, right? Two equations. Then you probably realize, okay, maybe it's something about simultaneous equations, yeah? But of course we have to think about what the variables in these simultaneous equations are. Okay, so integration, right? When you do integration, always picture. When you do weird integration questions. So fx is some random function, so no one cares, something like that maybe. Yeah, and let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so let's have a look at this guy here. This guy is asking for this area, yeah? Okay, how about this guy? And this guy's asking for here. Okay, so it seems like we have two candidates, for our two variables in simultaneous equations. But the next guy is f of x plus 1, right? So it's not f of x, so we've got to have a think. F of x plus 1, what transformation is that? That transformation is moving the whole graph to the left by 1, to the left by 1. Okay, so imagine this graph that I've drawn here, left by 1, okay? Now you're going from 0 to 1, right? So if you move it and you still go from 0 to 1, that is the same as you going from 1 to 2, integrating over 1 to 2 in the original graph, right? So this guy's also in red. This guy's also in red. Okay, so the red guy is 6. That's what the second equation tells us, right? So the red guy is 6, perfect. So if the red guy is 6, well, what's the blue guy then? So 5 times 6 is 30, right? 14 minus 30, that's negative 16. Negative 16 divided by 2, that's negative 8. So this is negative 8. So you might ask me, well, the area is above the x-axis, right? How come, it's negative 8? Well, that's just how I drew the picture at this time, right? I mean, I drew a random fx. It's just to give us the idea, give us the picture for us to visualize. It might not be the legit function. The legit function might be negative. It might be somewhere here. It doesn't matter. The picture is just for us to visualize. So if it's negative at the end, perfectly fine. Okay, so find the value of from 0 to 2 fx dx. So we add the areas together. Add the areas together. Negative 8 plus 6.